Follow these steps on how to use vector tools in Affinity. Let's start with the Move tool. The Move tool is used to select, move, rotate, and resize objects. You can use the shortcut V for the Move tool. The usage is relatively similar to Illustrator. Hold Shift to maintain aspect ratio. Control and Shift to resize from the center. Hold Shift to rotate with a 15-degree snap angle. Double-click here to reset the angle. Number 2, Node tool. This tool is used to edit existing curves, lines, and shapes. To move a point, simply select and drag it. For shapes, you can't move the point directly. You need to convert it to curves. Now you can move each point individually. Drag the center of the stroke to create a curve. Click the stroke to add a new point. Above, there's also an option to curve corners. Number 3, Corner tool. This tool is used around corners. Click and drag from the point inside. There's also a choice of corner types. Hold Shift to select multiple points. Bake the appearance to change it to curve mode. Number 4, Point Transform tool. This tool is used to scale or rotate. Select an object and drag a corner point to scale. Hold Ctrl to rotate. You can also move the transform origin. Control Shift to rotate constrained angles. Hold Ctrl to duplicate. Number 5, Place tool. This tool is used to insert an image from a storage folder. Number 6, Shape tool. This tool is used to create basic shapes. Right-click to display many types of shape tools. Select one and start drawing. Hold Shift to constrain proportions. Each shape has a red that can be moved. Above it are also options for sides, curves, smooth points, and more. Let's try another shape. Number 7, Pen tool. This tool is used to create straight or curved lines. Press Escape to break the line. Press Shift to create a horizontal straight line. Click and drag to create a curved line. Hold Ctrl to activate the node tool so you can move points or adjust the handles. After creating a curve, click on a point to remove one of its handles. Hold Ctrl and drag the handle if the position isn't quite. Number 8. Pencil tool. This tool is used to create hand-drawn artwork. You can adjust the stroke weight, stroke options, toggle sculpt mode, and more. Set the smoothness level here. Use the sculpt toggle to modify the path. Activate the stabilizer for smoother lines. There are also auto-close options, near, far, and always. If off, the lines won't connect. If you use the near option, the lines will close automatically. Number 9. Path Brush tool. This tool is for painting editable brushstrokes. Select the brush type in the Path Brushes panel. Use the square bracket shortcut to adjust the brush size. You can adjust it through the stroke width, or use the shortcut. Use the node tool to fix curved lines. You can also switch to another brush style and change the color. That's all for part 1 of the Affinity Vector Tools explanation. I'll continue the rest in the next video. For your information, the voice you hear in this video was generated with ElevenLabs. It's one of the best AI voice tools available today, offering natural and realistic voices in many different languages and accents. ElevenLabs is already used by thousands of creators around the world to make professional voiceovers quickly and easily. If you'd like to try it, I've put the link in the description.